post order traversal. Now this means that the route will be traversed in the end, or it will be traversed, but it will be saved in the array, or it will be printed in the end. Okay, or you can mark it visited in the end. So the order is left, right, and then root. Okay, that even if it doesn't make sense right now, I want you to remember that while I implement this. Okay, so here you can see a array is being returned. This array will have the values of whatever values are existing inside the nodes. Now those values are going to be in a post order manner. All right, so the first thing to do is to create a vector. So we'll create a vector containing integer and we'll call it array. Now what I want to do is I want to call a post order function. Okay, we'll create this function and I'll pass a root and I'll pass the array, and then I want to return array. Now this is the usual order of doing things. What I'll do now is I'll implement the post order function now. Now I'll show you how it works. Okay, it will take two arguments. It will take the root and it will take a vector and will pass that array by reference, because I want to make sure that I can make changes to this particular array. So the first thing to check if it's null, the current value, the current node on which I am existing. If that's null, then I just want to return this. Okay, because if the current node is null, then there's no point in moving forward, right? Then what I want to do is I want to travel to the left and then I travel to the rightmost. Okay, and only after that, once I arrive to that final node, that will be the current node, and that's when I want to do something with that. So the first thing to do is to pass the left node, because the order is left, and then I'll pass the right, and then I'm going to do something with the current node. Okay, because that's the order in post order. So what I want to do is I'll push the current node's value inside the array. So root val. Okay, now this is how it works. This is how post order traversal works. First we go to the leftmost and the rightmost, and only after that, like once this recursion happens, after that I want to push the current node's value. So if I run that, my apologies, this should be root, not tree node, because root is the value I'm passing. And once I run that, that is the answer. I hope it all made sense. Thank you so much for watching.